Welcome back to our Prelims PYQ series, in which we are decoding UPSC Prelims PYQs from 1979 to 2024. Here we are covering 45 plus years of questions arranged in a theme-wise and subject-wise topics, and the same question will appear on the PYQ portal on the Edukami website. The class notes of Edukami will be provided for that, and the link is in description below. You can check out that. आपको बता दूं कि our PSP Prelims Support Program 2025 is still running. You can check out the components. So today's topic is other architecture and monuments. Question number one, some Buddhist rock cut caves are called chaityas, while the others are called viharas. What is the difference between the two? 2013 में UPSC ने क्वेश्चन पूछा था. Want to know chaitya? Chaitya was a place of worship, while vihara was a dwelling place for monks, जहाँ monks रुकते थे. So vihara was a place where monk rested and lived, and chaitya was a place of worship. So through this concept, you can easily eliminate and get to an answer. Fourth eliminate हो जाएगा. C भी eliminate. We can do elimination of C. अब Vihara is a place of worship बोला है तो it is basically wrong. Chaitya is a place of worship and Vihara is a dwelling place for the monk. Answer is B. Now a pro mentor tip from our side. Then if you know the state Bihar, तो Bihar is coming from the name Bihar, Viharas. Viharas जो है धीरे से बिहार बन गया. Just know this fact. Three structures were the most important Buddhism: Chaitya, Vihara, and Stupa. Stupa is a place which was usually dome shaped, where the mortal remains of Buddha and other important monks are placed. It was kind of relic. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि स्तूप is also important theme for UPSC. You have to prepare for that. Second, Vihara are shelter accommodations of the monks during the rainy season. And Chaitya is a meeting or assembly chamber often used for prayer. Moving to next question. Question number 2. With reference to history of Indian rock cut architecture, consider the following statements. 2013 का question है. The caves at Badami are the oldest surviving rock cut caves in India. No, it was Barabar caves, not Badami. तो UPSC ने यहाँ फंसाया है. Barabar caves was made by Ashok of Mauryan dynasty. Second statement में आते हैं. The Barabar rock cut caves were originally made for Ajivikas by Emperor Chandragupta Maurya. Now it was made by Ashok, not Chandragupta Maurya. The second statement is wrong. First statement is wrong. At Ellora, caves are made of different faith. Yes, it is correct. In Ellora, we have different caves for different faith like Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism. The answer is 3 only, C. Barabar caves are the oldest rock cut caves and they was built by Ashoka. And there were nearly 100 caves in the basically Ellora, in which 34 caves are famous, and which cave 1 to 12 are Buddhist, cave 13 to 29 are Brahminical, and cave 30 to 34 are Jaina. So I can say Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism के caves Ellora में मिलते हैं. Take the screenshot of the PSP components, which has practice test, marathon sessions, book reading sessions, revision sessions, sectional test, full length test, UPSC mixed test, current affairs revision of 1 year, CSAT support, personalized mentorship, test discussion, along with that at last Prayas, which is All India mock test. Here are some of the USPs of our PSP, that around 45% of the enrolled students qualified for 2024 prelims and 50% questions were directly asked from our PSP program. Students attempted the prelims 2024 with more confidence and they had very boosted accuracy. Moving to question number 3, 2013 का question है. Consider the following historical places. Which of the above places are also known for mural paintings? अब सांची स्तूपा क्या था? It was a depository for relics. तो वहां मुराल पेंटिंग्स का होना, it is impossible. So I can easily eliminate 3. Ajanta caves, yes, it had mural paintings, Padmapani, Vajrapani. Then Lepakshi temples also had mural paintings. What do you mean by mural paintings? Big wall paintings. Big wall paintings are called as mural paintings. The answer is 1 and 2, B. Moving to next question. Question number 4. Which one of the following statements is correct? 2021 का क्वेश्चन है. बहुत फैक्चुअल क्वेश्चन है. Let's see. Ajanta caves lie in the gorge of Vagura River. Sanchi Stoop lies in the gorge of Chambal River. Panduleni caves lie in the gorge of Narmada. And Amravati Stoop lies in the gorge of Godavari. Now you can see there are 4 or 5 important themes which UPSC generally asks, which is Ajanta, Ellora, Sanchi, Panduleni, Amravati Stup. अगर ये थीम आप बार बार पढ़ लेते हैं, इसके नोट्स बना लेते हैं, then it will be easy for you for the upcoming prelims. The answer here is A. Ajanta caves lie in the gorge of Bagora River. You can see a gorge, the trend that UPSC loves this theme Ajanta caves, as well as Sanchis too. So prepare accordingly. The answer here is A. The rock cut caves of Ajanta lie in the Bagora River near Ajanta village in the Aurangabad district of Maharashtra. And Sanchi जो है, it is in upland plateau west of Betwa River. Pandulini cave जो है, it is in near Gomai River and it is also known as Nashik caves. At last, Amravati Stoop is located in the gorges of Krishna River. So make a note of it. It is a pro mentorship from our side. Moving to next question, which is question number 5. With reference to Chausat Yogini temple situated near Morena, consider the following statements. 2021 का question है. It is a circular temple built during the reign of Kach Apnakata dynasty. Second, it is the only circular temple built in India. Now, this is kind of very extreme statement. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि सिर्फ एक ही सर्कुलर टेम्पल इंडिया में बिल्ट होगा, बहुत सारे होंगे. But through this logic, you can easily eliminate second statement. So I can cut second. I can get the answer now. UPSC also wants to go this way. First is correct, and the fourth becomes correct. Its design has given rise to popular belief that it was the inspiration behind the Indian Parliament building. So this is correct. You can see the new Parliament. The temple, Chausat Yogini temple, was built by Kachapagata King Devapal. It is said that temple was a venue of providing education in astrology and mathematics. The circular temple is one among the very few such temples. It is not the only circular temple. This temple is also known as Ikattaruso Mahadeva temple. This temple is so named because of the presence of multitude of shivlings. Many of these curious visitors has compared the temple with the Indian Parliament building, Sansad Bhavan, जो कि दोनों circular है. Question number 6 पे आते हैं. With reference to ancient India, consider the following statements. The question was asked in 2023. You can see the important themes. फिर से देखो स्तूप पूछा है यूपीएससी ने. The concept of stoop is Buddhist in origin. No, it was also mentioned in Rig Veda by name stupa. ये Buddhist origin नहीं है, तो I can eliminate one. The stupa was generally a repository of relics. ये हमने देखा है, आपने PYQ पहले कर रखा होगा, तो it is very easy. Second statement is correct. Stup was votive and commemorative structure in the Buddhist tradition. Yes, this is correct. The answer is only two. The word stup is mentioned in Rigved, Atharvaved, Tatriya Samhita. The word stuka is used in the same sense in Rigved. Probably by then anything raised on the ground like heap or pile. The practice of preserving the remains of important personality below accumulated earth was long in existence, and Buddhists had adopted this practice. उसी को स्तूपा कहते हैं. The Buddhist text like Avadan Satakam, Mahavadana, mentions about the commemorative aspect of stupa. Even the Jain literature like Raya Pasaniya Sutta refers to it. Please make a note of it. Moving to last question. Consider the following pairs. 2023. Base Nagar, Shavites Cave Shrine, Bhaja Caves, Buddhist Cave Shrine, and Sittanaval Caves, Jain Cave Shrine. It is asking about rocket caves. अगर बेस नगर की बात करूं, it is in Vidisha, which is MP. Right? It is not a Shaivite cave shrine, but it is a Vaishnavite cave shrine. कैसे पता चलता है? There is Heliodorus pillar. Heliodorus was a Greek ambassador who raised a pillar and who converted to being a Vaishnavite. There was no mention of Shaivite caves there. So one can be excluded. Second, Bhaja caves में आते हैं. Bhaja cave, it's in Maharashtra. So it is a set of 22 rocket caves, and this cave is Buddhist cave. Yes, second is correct. Third, Sitta Navasal cave, which is a Jain cave shrine. Yes, this is correct. And it is made around 2nd BC. Right? ये तमिलनाडु में है. The second and third are correct. The answer is B, only two. With this, we complete the video. And for other parts, stay tuned. Thank you.